got. For example, for the cube, it's a cube, right? It is actually area of the base into height. Area of the base is a into height, which is another a. So it's a cube. Here similarly it is area of the base is width into length or breadth into length into height. It's LBH. Okay. Sphere doesn't have a particular top surface or a bottom surface. It's an even surface. Okay. So volume is 4 by 3 pi r cube. Okay. Only r is there, pi r cube. Surface area is 4 pi r square. Okay. There is no h or anything else. Okay. See, if they have given, suppose they have said that there is a spherical shell, okay, which is hollow inside. Hollow means there is no volume inside. Okay, like a tin can, a ball, a plastic ball. Okay, it has a outer surface, but inner surface area is empty. So in that case, uh, if r and r are the external and internal radii, that means the coating which is there for a sphere, it will have some width, no? So that outer part is called r. Okay, suppose okay, suppose this is the spherical ball of surface. Okay, so from outer surface to the center is called outer radius. Inner surface to the center is called inner radius. R, capital R is the outer radius, small r is the inner radius. Okay. Then the volume would be 4 by 3 pi into r cube minus r cube, capital R cube minus small r cube. Okay. Unless they mention the outer and inner radii, don't consider this. Okay? Even if they say a shell, okay, and they don't give you the outer radii and inner radii, unless they're asking that only, okay, don't consider it. This is a hemisphere. It's a half a sphere, nothing much. Okay, volume of it is exactly half of the volume of the sphere, which is that was 4 by 3 pi r cube. This is 2 by 3 pi r cube. Okay. Here, the lateral surface area. Okay, lateral surface area is just the side portion except for the top. Okay, that would be 2 pi r square, or give them in capital. PSA, total surface area, will include the top circle, which will have another pi r square. So it's 3 pi r square unit. Okay. Always remember, for volume, there will be 2 or 3 different quantities. Okay. For example, see, for the cuboid, L into P into H, there are 3. For volume, A cube means A is 3 times 3. Okay. For surface area, it's always 2. A square. Here, at one point of time, it's LH, BH, LB plus BH plus HL. So at one point of time, there are 2. So area will always have 2 quantities. Volume will always have 3 quantities. Okay. Cylinder, volume is pi r square h. H is the height. Okay. R is the radius of the top and bottom circle. Curved surface area. Okay. This surface area is 2 pi r h. It is the circumference of the circle into height, 2 pi r into h. The volume is area of the circle into height, pi r square into h. Total surface area is 2 pi r h plus top and bottom circles, which is 2 pi r square. Cone. When you take a cone of the same volume, radius, it is said that the volume of the cone is 1/3 of that of the cylinder. That's why its volume is 1 by 3 pi r square h. It's pi r square 1 by 3 pi r square. Okay, slant height. Here there is a slant height. Okay, is equal to L, which is denoted by L, is equal to r square under root r square plus h square. Okay. CSA, curved surface area, is pi r into L. Okay. Frustum of a cone. What does this mean? It means that there was a cone, they cut off the top part of it, some portion. It's called a frustum. Okay. Also, this cone, this is there, no? It's called a right circular cone. That means it is at the right angle, meaning the vertex and the center of the circle is at are at right angles. Okay. And it's a circular cone. Frustum lateral surface area is pi into this top part will have a radius which is smaller than the bottom part, right? This top part is denoted by small r, this bottom part is denoted by big R. Okay, so it's pi into r plus r, small r plus capital R, into L, okay, which is the slant height. Total surface area is LSA plus area of the top and bottom circles, which is pi into r plus r into L plus pi r square plus bigger circle pi r square. Okay. Volume is 1 by 3 into pi into h into r square plus r into r. Okay, this formula you need to by heart a little bit. It's a little not simple. Okay. Any doubt till now?
No, ma'am.
No.
Okay. We'll solve few problems. First we'll do these, then I'll give you the formula for prism, pyramid, and all that. That will be next. Okay. If a cube has its side length equal to 5 centimeter, what is its area? Then they have not mentioned which area. Assume total surface area.
150.
150 centimeters square.
150. Correct. Correct. Total surface area is equal to 6 into A into E. Okay. Where A is equal to 5 centimeter. Then this is 6 into 5 into 5. So 6 into 25. So 150 centimeter square. Okay. Any doubt in this?
No, ma'am.
A rectangular piece of paper of the dimension 11 centimeter by 4 centimeter is folded without overlapping to make a cylinder of height 4 centimeter. Find the volume of the cylinder. The cylinder that you see, okay, the lateral surface area of it is basically a rectangle. It is folded, okay, then it forms a top and bottom circle. Here they have mentioned that find the volume of the cylinder. Try it.
One 90.9.
190.9. Okay.
Approximately 191.
191. Okay. Others? Okay, first tell me what would be the height of the cylinder?
4 centimeter.
4 centimeter, correct. What would be the radius? They're not given.
11,
No, no,
five
not
point
11. Sorry,
5.5.
5.5. How did you get that?
11 by 2. 11 is diameter.
11 is not the diameter.
Yeah, 11 is a circumference.
Yes, 11 is the circumference. The rectangle, if you see, okay, it's the dimensions are 11 into 4, okay. That 4 which is there in the this one can be taken as the height itself, correct? If you fold this along this one, okay, you will get a cylinder. This dimension is 4 centimeter, which is the height, correct? When you fold it also, that will only remain the height. So this is 11, but when you fold it, it forms a circle, the edge of a circle. So it is the circumference. So circumference of circular base is equal to 11 centimeter, okay, which is equal to 2 pi 2 pi into r. Okay. Now, when you solve it, what do you get?
1.75.
1.75. Yes. I'll better write it as 7 by 4, because whenever you're solving k, you got r now, you have to still solve it further. Always try to keep it in fraction form so that you can easily cancel if
It
there is
becomes
any.
easy.
Yes. So volume is pi r square into h. Okay. It's 22 by 7 into 7 by 4 into 7 by 4 again into 4. Now solve it. I mean, how much do you get?
38.465.
38.5.
38.5. Yes. You will get 77 by 2 actually. So you'll get 38.5 centimeter, cubic centimeter. Okay. In doubt? Try this. In a shower, 5 centimeter of rain falls. Okay. Water falls. The volume of the water that falls on 1.5 hectares of ground is 1 hectare is equal to 10,000 meters square. Try this. Okay. 750 meter cube. Anybody else? Okay. So think of this as a cuboid. Okay. The area of the base is 10,000 meters square. Okay. As I told you, area of base is equal to 10,000 meters square. Okay. Then the height or depth of the water, okay, is equal to 5 centimeter. Okay. If I want to convert it into meters, what should I do?
Divided by 100.
Divided by 100. Yeah. So this will be 5 by 100 meter, which is 1 by 20 meter. Okay, nothing now but multiplying. Volume is equal to area of base into depth or height, based on how you see it. One by 20. How much is the answer?
750.
750.
But ma'am, they given us that 1.5 hectares.
Oh, so 1.5, no, my mistake. So 1.5 hectares is equal to how many? How much is this one? Right. 15,000. Yeah. Yes, 750 cubic meters. Any doubt in this? Any doubt?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
A hall is 15-meter long and 12-meter broad. Okay. If the sum of the areas of the floor and ceiling is equal to the sum of the areas of the four walls, find the volume of the hall. Okay. Try this. Fun.
Seven 20.
720. Others? 1200. Okay.
Thousand two hundred.
1200. Okay. All right. So I thought they're saying it is 15-meter long. Now, one more thing to remember: long means along the horizontal axis, long, and broad means along the uh, horizontal axis is the y-axis. Okay, so they're saying 15-meter is here, 12-meter is here. They've not given the height. Okay, now if 50, this is 15-meter, what will this be? 15-meter as well, correct? If this is 12, this will also be 12 because they are both parallel lines. Okay. What will be the area of this wall?
360.
Hmm?
180.
This wall. It's length into height, correct?
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So it will be 15 into h. 15 h. Okay. The opposite wall, this one. Okay, this one will also be the same thing. So it will be 15 h only. Plus this wall. Okay.
12 H.
Yes, 12 h plus 12 h. Same with the opposite wall. They say the sum of the areas of the floor and ceiling are equal to the sum of the four walls. So this all this is equal to, we established the what is it? Area of the roof is 15 into 12, and the area of the ceiling and the floor will be equal. It will be equal 15 into 12. Okay, so this will be 30h plus 24h equal 15 into 12 is 12, 60, 180. 180 is equal to 360. So 54h is equal to 360. H is equal to how much?
20 by 3.
20 by 3, 360. Yes, 20 by 3 meters is it? So now volume is equal to length into breadth into height, which is equal to 15 into 12 into 20 by 3. This is the purpose I said, keep it in fractions. In 5 ones are 5, 5 into 20, 100, 1200 cubic meters. Okay? Any doubt?
No, ma'am. Okay, 66 cubic centimeter of silver is drawn into a wire which is 1 mm in diameter. Okay. Find the length of the wire in meters. The length of the wire used in mm. Okay, try this.
2100.
What will be the shape of the this one wire?
Cylinder.
Yes, correct.
Cylinder.
Cylinder is correct. Yeah. So volume, cubic centimeter. Okay. So they've given the volume, which is 66 cubic centimeter. The diameter of the wire drawn is 1 mm. Okay. And it 40 mm. Okay. And the radius will be half mm. Correct. But we have to find out the length. So all of the units have to be in same this one. Okay. So convert the mm into centimeter. Now, see, the question they have asked is you have to find the length in meters. Either what you can do is either find the volume in meters, then find the radius in meters, then solve directly you'll get the answer. Or convert this into centimeter, find the length, then convert it into meters. Same thing. I think the second one will be a little one step shorter. Okay, so the volume of the cylinder is pi r square h. So 66 into this one is 1 by 20, is it? 1 by 20 into h. Okay. Six into 20 into 20 into 7 by 22. Correct, is equal to h. Ones are threes are into 20. Yes, h is equal to 8,400 centimeter. Okay, but they have asked in meters. So what do you have to do? Divided by
100.
100. This will be 84 meters. Okay. There is no doubt here. This one is very interesting. Try this. If the length, breadth, and height of a room is 10 meter, 10 meters, and 5 meters respectively, find the maximum length of a pole that can fit into the room. Might have done this type of problem before. Shall I solve this one? Or do you guys want to try it?
Point 6. 15.6
15.6.
approx.
Okay. Okay. See here, this is a cuboid. Okay, think of it as a room. The maximum length of the pole that you can fit into it will be from one corner on the roof to the opposite corner on the floor. Okay, this part. Okay. Okay, so you guys can see it now. Yeah, from the one corner of the roof to opposite corner on the floor. Okay, so this pink line that is there, S, which is there, you can see that will be the diameter of the whole cuboid. Okay, 3D shape. Now the one who got answer 15.60 you said na, how did you solve it?
I took the diagonal.
Okay, the floor diagonal, then
No, no.
Pythagoras.
The diagonal of cuboid.
Cuboid, direct formula. Okay, great. Now how did you get 15.6?
So it's root 250, right?
It's 225.
Sorry.
That would be 15, like whole number.
Yeah.
Do 225, correct. So the formula is there. You can solve directly by formula. Okay, the diagonal will be under root of 15. Yes. Plus b square. Okay, so this is square root of 10 square is 100 plus 10 square is again 100 plus 5 square is 25. So it's square root of 225, which is, yes, 15. 15 meters. Okay. Suppose you don't remember the formula, then find the diagonal of the floor C, then you have Z and C. Find length of S using Pythagoras. Okay. Understood? Any doubt in this?
No.
Wait, better yet, I'll start with something easier. Try the 11th one. Try the 11th one. The perimeter of one face of a wooden cube is 20 centimeter. Find its weight if 1 centimeter cube of wood weighs 8.25 grams. 1031.25 grams. Yep. Perimeter of 16.50 grams. Okay. Yep, I think it's calculation error is that. Let's see. Okay. Perimeter of one face. So it is 4a square. Okay. It is 20, what is it, centimeter. Okay. Well, if you take one face of a cube, it's a square. So a is equal to 5 centimeter. 1031. Okay, 5 centimeter. What will be the volume of a cube? 5 into 5 into 5. It is 125 cubic centimeter. Okay, they're saying okay, its weight, find its weight if 1 cubic centimeter weighs 8.25 grams. But we have 125 cubic centimeters. So weight is equal to 125 into 8.25 grams. Correct? You can convert 1 liter into weight. Okay, it happens. 1 liter into cubic centimeter, all kinds of them. So you'll get 1031.25 grams. Okay, so I'll take it as 1.03 kgs. Understood? Try 10th one. If you have understood this, fine. Try 10th one. Hmm?
11th one is 1.04 kg or 1.0 kg.
Okay. Anybody else? Any other answer? 2.8. Okay. 17.5. Okay. Diameter of a sphere is 28 centimeter. Okay. So its radius will be 14, half of it. Okay. Its volume is 4 pi r cube, no? Yeah. 46.4. Okay. So, and surface area, complete surface area is 4 pi r square. So we want to paint, right? So total surface area only we have to take. 246. Okay. Let's see. 4 into 22 by 7 into 14. This is the total surface area. Correct. So calculate it, what you get? 14 into 14, and that is a long number. Okay, so they are asking how much, find the cost of painting it all around at rupees 0.1 per square centimeter. Okay, 246. Okay. So if it is 0.1 rupees, yes, for 1 square centimeter, then for how much is it? 2,464 square centimeter. It will be 246.4 rupees. Correct. If you got the same answer. Okay. Yes, so I think you half it. Exactly half you got. Okay. I think some of you did some calculation error. Okay. You'll get 246.4 rupees. Remember, surface area of the sphere is 4 pi r square, total surface area. For hemisphere, it is, there are LSA and TSA. LSA is 2 pi r square, TSA is 3 pi r square. Okay. Any doubt in this? Any doubt? See, an open container made up of a metal sheet is in the form of a frustum of a cone of height 8 centimeter with radii of its lower and upper ends as 4 centimeter and 10 centimeter respectively. Find the cost of oil which can completely fill the container at the rate of 50 rupees per liter. Also find the cost of metal if it costs rupees 5 per 100 centimeters square. Do you guys want to try it? Shall I give the formula? What is the total surface area of frustum? If you guys can remember. No? Okay, I'll give you one. Let's go up. lateral surface area I have given, total surface area I have given, volume also is there. Try it.
Ma'am, that's pi r plus r square.
Which one?
Ma'am, can you read the formula?
Okay, lateral surface area is pi into r plus r into L. Next is total surface area, pi into r plus r into L plus pi r square, small and capital R. Then volume is 1 by 3 pi into h into r square plus r into r. Okay. Now you guys finished? Shall I solve it? Guys, shall I solve?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. First, there was two questions, right? First is cost of the oil, then cost of the metal. First, we'll see the cost of the oil. Okay. When you are filling the oil, that means you are filling its volume up. So you have to find the volume of the frustum, and that's it. And multiply it by 50 rupees per liter, whatever it is. Okay. The formula is here is 1 by 3 pi into h into r square plus r into r. Okay. So we know h is equal to 8 centimeter. Capital R is 10. Small r is 4 centimeter. Okay. So I'll write it directly 1 by 3 pi into 8 into 4 square is 16 plus 10 square is 100 plus 10 into 4 is 40. Okay, 16 plus 100 plus 40 will give you 156. Okay, 1 by 3 into 22 by 7 into 8 into 156. 3 and 156 I can cancel. So I'll get 22 by 7 into 8 into 52. Okay, that will give you 1306 means 1306.24 cubic centimeter. Okay, that you can write it as 1.306 liters. Okay, now what to do?
Multiply it by 50.
Multiply it by 50. Correct. Okay, by the way, whenever this question, to convert cubic centimeter to liters, okay, one cubic centimeter is equal to 0.001 liters. Okay, meaning whenever you want to convert cubic centimeter into liter, divided by 1000, 3 points. Okay. So this I'll write it as equal to. Okay. Now cost of oil, correct, is equal to 50 into 1.30624. 30624. It's about 65.37,
1,370.
is it? Okay, I got 312 rupees. Okay. Now we got the cost of the oil. Okay. Now next question is find the cost of the metal used if it costs rupees 5 per 100 centimeters. Okay. When they are asking the cost of the metal, what do you have to find? TSA, correct. What is the TSA? This one will go.
Ma'am, it's an open container, no?
Exactly, yes. TSA is this, but they have mentioned it's an open container. Correct? That's the first sentence. An open container made up of metal sheet. What does open container mean? What does an open container mean?
The top part is not there.
Yes, the top part is not there. That means this part, pi r square, which is there, it
It's
won't
not
be
there.
there. Yes. Now we have to find the
What is L?
Ma'am, the slant height is not given.
Not given. You have to calculate it. How to calculate it? Slant height is square root of its square plus capital R minus small r square. Okay, so this would be square root of height is 8, so 64 plus plus 10 minus 4 the whole square. Okay, this is square root of 64 plus 36. What will you get? 10 centimeter. Okay, now how did I find the how did I get the this formula? Okay, you can find it directly also, but if you see the diagram, this one is total height. Okay, this height is, if it was a full cone, okay, then it would have been r square plus h square, except that this also is there, that's why r minus r the whole square. Okay. Now find out the surface area. How much did you get? Approx. Okay, square centimeter. Question is that cost 5 rupees per 100 centimeter square. 5 rupees for 100 centimeter square. So for 754.28 square centimeter, cost will be 5 by 100 into 754.28. Correct. 1 by 20 divided by
How much will it be? Calculate in 10. Can you guys hear me? How much is it? Yeah. Until you guys tell, I won't go ahead. How much will it be? Yes, ma'am. I'm asking for 754.28 square centimeter. What will be the cost? Did you guys understand this? What is the answer? Yeah?
37.7.
Yeah. The answer is 37.74 rupees. And the others, I really hope you guys are paying attention and you're not just in the class for class sake. Alright. There are other problems, though we'll do that later. I want you guys to learn the questions which they are asked in your question paper. So this was a question, I think, first question related to geometry in your paper. For a given circle with a center O and radius OA, if two arcs B and A are drawn on the circumference of the circle from 1 by taking OA as the radius of the arc, what will be the shape of the triangle obtained by joining the points 1, B and C, sorry, the two arcs B and C here. Okay. How many if you could solve this?
Ma'am, I put isosceles. I got isosceles.
Okay. Like, did you like randomly put it or you actually recommend?
No, ma'am. I got that.
Okay, you got it. Can you tell me how?
Because we're taking the size of OA, so if we cut, so OB and OC will be the same size, and if we join B and C, it won't
It
be
will be
equal
the
to.
diameter, yes. True. Actually, that is also what I got. But they have given equilateral triangle. Okay, so OA if you're taking as the radius of the arc, which is again O 1 into 1 and O, correct? And you draw an arc. I'll show you guys. Yes. So you draw an arc of length 1O here, okay, and here. So this is B, this is C. 1B is equal to the radius of the whole circle. 1C is also equal to the radius of the whole circle. So 1B and 1C are equal. But when you join them, okay, this is the diameter of the circle, which is not exactly the radius, correct? This will be P, this will be C. When you join them, okay, not a perfect line. This 1A, I'll just show it here. Yeah, the 1O is equal to 1B is equal to 1C, where B and C are the points on which the arcs are found, okay, but which is equal to OA. It's equal to the radius. Okay, but BC that is there is twice as much as 1O, correct? So it will form an isosceles triangle, but they've given it as equilateral. I don't know if there is a mistake or something, but the answer is this, okay? Next, this one. How many of you got this? Find the angle X from the figure given below. Didn't you guys get or don't know for sure? Alright. So this is the diagram given. Okay, you have to find X. Yeah. So if you draw a line here, parallel line, okay, then you form the angle this. Yeah, here. If you draw a line here, okay, it's not very straight, but it's a parallel line. Okay, this angle, the interior angle of this one, okay, will be equal to 70 degree, alternate interior angles, correct? This angle, correct? Are you guys understanding what I'm saying?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
This will be alternate interior angle, so this angle will be 70 degrees itself. Okay, this will be 70 degrees. What will this angle be then? No, meaning before solving, this whole angle is x and the part of it is 70. So this will be x minus 70. This will be x minus. Okay. Similarly, what will this angle be?
X minus 60.
X minus 60. Correct. This line, okay, just don't get confused. Draw a parallel line here. Draw parallel line here, not same thing. Okay, so this upper angle, if you draw a line here, okay, upper angle will be 70 minus x minus 70. Upper angle here will be x minus 60. What is the sum of all angles in a triangle?
180.
180. So upper is 30, down is x minus 70 plus x minus 60 is equal to, correct. Yes, so we got is equal to 180. So 30 minus 70 minus 60 will give you minus 100. X plus x, 2x. Okay, 2x is equal to 220. So x is equal to 140 degrees. Okay. Any doubt in this? No doubt? Okay. Which of the following may not be generated by revolving a planar surface along its axis? What do you guys think? The answer is given. Okay. Cylinder, if you take its axis, central axis, okay, and if you rotate one part of it, you'll actually form the whole cylinder. Cone, also same thing. Slant height, if you take.
See the screen.
Can't
Ma'am, your voice not clear.
is it? Oh, okay, now you guys can see. I mean, can hear.
Yes.
Okay. Now I'm sure. Okay. So the cylinder, if you take the height of the cylinder and its axis along the radius, will form a cylinder. Cone, if you take the slant height and along its axis, if you revolve it, you'll find a cone. Prism, there are different types of prisms. Okay. This is a triangular prism. One of the examples where the axis cannot form a whole figure. Okay. Sphere also same thing. Okay. A radius, if you take, okay, if you rotate it along its axis, you form a sphere. Triangular prism, no. Prisms are different types, but triangular prism you cannot form. So it is the correct answer where it may not be generated. They're not saying cannot. It can. Okay. It's if it's a particular type of prism, but may not always work. So prism is the answer. Okay. Any doubt? Okay. Now, last class we did a problem, remember? The shaded area region.
Yes.
Did you guys get the answer? This problem. If you got the answer, can you tell me?
Ma'am, voice is breaking.
This is breaking, is it? I don't know what the problem is. It is there.
37.54.
How much?
37.5.
37.5. Okay. So, as I told, just tell me if it breaks again. Okay, my voice. Now, area of the shaded region would be area of the circle plus area of the triangle minus non-shaded A sector. Okay, minus area of the repeated shaded sector. Okay, because this repeats twice in the triangle and circle again. Okay, so you have to subtract it once. Now, what is the area of the circle?
Pi r
Radius.
square.
Pi square. Correct. It's 6 centimeters given, so it's 36 into pi. Correct. So area of the circular shaded region is 36 into pi. Now, area of the circle sector, this part, okay, this part, the radius they've given it as 6. Okay, whenever you want to find the area of a sector, always find the area of the whole thing. For example, here pi into 6 square circles area into angle of the sector divided by 360. Here it's 60 degree because it's an equilateral triangle. So O is 60 degree. So 60 by 30, 60 by 30 into area of the whole circle is pi into 6 square. Okay. So this one you'll get. This will give you 6, 1 by 6. Correct. 1 by 6 into 36 into 5. This will give you 6. Okay, now area of the triangle sector. Here also the angle is 60, the radius is 6. Because from O to this point, let's take P, is 6. This also will be 6 because OB is 12 centimeter, right? They've given triangle, equilateral triangle, OB is 12 centimeter. Okay. So area of the triangle sector is also 6 pi, same values. Area of the shaded region of the in triangle. Shaded region means just this part. Okay. Now, what is the formula for area for an equilateral triangle? Root 3 by 4 into
How
4.
did they know the radius of that triangle sector?
They've given it. No, a triangle sector you're saying. Because we found out the sector, area of the sector of this point, right? O, let's say PQ, OPQ, right? And here we've taken radius as 6 centimeter. Correct. And they've given OB as 12. So 12
Okay.
minus 6 will be 6.
Okay.
Area of the shaded region, root 3 by 4 into 12 square, which is the area of the equilateral triangle formula. Root 3 by 4 into a square. Okay, minus 6 pi. You don't need to just. Area of the triangle just you can find. Then area of the circular shaded region is 36 pi, correct? This whole region without the sector and everything. It is pi r square, pi into 6 square, 36 pi. So the total shaded area would be area of the circle, which is 36 pi, plus area of the whole triangle, which is root 3 by 4 into 12 square, minus area of the repeated shaded area, which is 6 pi, so we are subtracting it, minus unshaded area of sector of the triangle, again minus 6 pi. Okay, 6 and 6, 12. 36 pi minus 12 pi will give you 24 pi plus root 3 by 4 into 12 square. Okay. Get 24 pi as 75.36 plus this value as 62.28. Get 137.64 square centimeter. Okay. You can take root 3 value as 1.73. Pi value you can take to 3 values or 2 values. Sometimes they give you specifically. Okay, in this question, they are actually given you have to take this much of value. I just didn't give it on purpose. Okay, but it just makes a difference in points, so it's fine. Okay, any doubt in this? If you guys have any doubt, just ask me. Okay, some questions like these are important that you understand them. No doubt? No doubt. Today we solved a few easier problems of the volume questions. Okay, tomorrow we'll solve tougher problems and the remaining questions from your paper. Okay. So class is over. Bye guys.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, students.